What's up everybody, and welcome to IGL Coatings Australia. I have two children, a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old, and they tend to be very messy. So my wife said to me, Eamon, you clean all these cars, you sell all these products. Why don't you give our chairs a bit of a clean up? So I said, you know what, let's check out IGL Leather and see how it cleans and conditions in one easy step using our new leather scrubbing brush. You will be amazed at how easily and quickly furniture and car seats get dirty, especially leather. But equally, you'll be just as amazed at how easy it is to clean it up to make it look like new. All you need is IGL Leather Conditioner or IGL Interior if it's very dirty, and our leather scrub brush and the clean microfiber cloth. That's all you need. The process to clean it is very simple. Now, obviously you don't need to mask up anything at home. This is just for demonstration purposes so we can see a difference before and after. Simply open up the product, apply a little bit onto the leather, gently work the product in. Make sure you don't let this product dry onto the leather, but this is a conditioner. The more you leave it on, the more it will absorb and it will be amazing. So work small sections at a time. And the same process for cleaning can be used on anything from your cars to your leather riding jacket for your motorbike to your leather handbag. So once you have finished cleaning up a particular section, grab a microfiber cloth. So as you can see, quite a bit of a difference. My daughter likes to rub her hand all over the seat while she's eating dinner. And that's all you will need to do. This product, IGL Leather, will condition and clean in one easy step.